Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing garlic mushroom egg sandwich recipe, ideal as a filling meal for breakfast, lunch or for dinner in your weight loss journey. So let's get started with the recipe. Into a bowl, I have already added 2 whole eggs. Into this, I'm adding in half teaspoon freshly ground black pepper powder, 1/3 teaspoon sea salt or as needed, a splash of water, and I'm whisking this all up. Once the eggs are whisked, keep this aside. I'm heating my kadai with the 1 tablespoon wood pressed groundnut oil. Once the oil is heated, I'm adding in 10 garlic cloves finely chopped. Give it a stir and saute the garlic cloves until it starts to turn light golden brown in color. Once the garlic cloves starts to turn light golden brown in color, add in 1 green chilli finely chopped. Green chilli you can increase or decrease as per your taste. Give it a stir. Now when you lightly roast the garlic like this, the oil will be infused with the flavor of the garlic and that makes the mushroom more flavorful. Add in the roughly chopped mushrooms. I am using 200 grams of button mushrooms. 1/3 teaspoon sea salt or as needed. Give it a good stir, cover and allow the mushrooms to get cooked. Couple of minutes later, open the lid and as you can see, when the mushroom starts to get cooked, moisture will start to release out. So I'm going to give this a good mix and cover and allow the mushrooms to get cooked thoroughly. 3 minutes later, open the lid, give it a good stir and as you can see, the moisture has evaporated and that means the mushrooms are nicely cooked. Into this, I'm adding in the 2 beaten eggs. Allow the eggs to stay like this for about 30 to 40 seconds and then carefully scramble the eggs. Once the eggs are lightly scrambled, turn off the flame. Note that I have not cooked the eggs thoroughly. The eggs are only 3/4 cooked. I'm turning off the flame. Now the reason why I didn't cook the eggs thoroughly or scramble it thoroughly is that the rest of the cooking of the eggs will happen when I'm toasting the sandwich. So this way the egg mix will be sealed in the bread slice when it is getting cooked while toasting the sandwich. So as you can see, the eggs are only 3/4 cooked or scrambled. So I'm going to allow it to cool down. To make green chutney for the sandwich, into my chutney grinder, I'm adding in 2 tablespoons water, squeezing in half a lemon, half a handful of mint leaves, 1 handful of coriander leaves. Note that I am also adding in the stalks of the coriander leaves. The stalks will give an amazing flavor to the green chutney, so try not to skip it. 1/2 inch ginger finely chopped. I'm using 3 green chilies. This is a local variety green chili known as Kandhari Molag, also known as peri peri chili in English. So this is relatively spicier than ordinary chili and it is small in size as well. So I'm adding in 3 small peri peri chilies or Kandhari Mulaga. You can increase or decrease green chilies as per your taste. 1/2 teaspoon jeera powder, also known as roasted cumin powder. 1/2 teaspoon sea salt. 1/2 teaspoon black pepper powder. And now I'm going to blend all this really well to make into a smooth green chutney. And my green chutney is ready. I'm going to transfer this to a small container. This green chutney also will stay good in the refrigerator for a couple of days. To make the sandwich, I'm using 2 slices of sourdough bread. Spread green chutney on both the slices of the bread. Place 2 to 3 tablespoons of the mushroom egg filling. Place the other slice on top and lightly press it down. To toast the bread, I'm heating a cast iron tawa and I'm drizzling it with about a teaspoon of wood pressed groundnut oil. Now instead of wood pressed groundnut oil, you can use A2 desi ghee or any wood pressed oil of your choice. Lightly spread the oil on the tawa. Place the sandwich on top and place something heavy like a skillet on top so that the sandwich is nicely sealed and toasted evenly. And allow the sandwich to get toasted. Once that side is done, remove the skillet from the top. Drizzle in 1/2 teaspoon wood pressed groundnut oil and lightly spread it all over the bread slice. Carefully flip the sandwich over and repeat the same thing with that side as well. And once that side is done, remove the skillet from the top and serve to a plate. I like to slice the sandwich just before serving. You can see how crispy the sandwich has toasted. I'm going to slice the sandwich into half, and my super healthy mushroom egg sandwich is ready to serve. So guys, do try this healthy mushroom egg sandwich and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.